Hey, ever wondered what superheroes do when they aren't saving the world? They work, just like every one of us. But not all have their own business or are white collars. There are many who follow their heart, passion, and become the creators of today's world. Spidey is one of them. He is a freelance photographer helping clients on Upwork, teaches photography to thousands of people on YouTube, and of course, a member of SHIELD. But creators are people with desires and needs too, right? Recently, Spidey wanted to buy some expensive equipment, but not with the help from Stark Industries, but by his own. Thus, he went to multiple banks, told them what he does for a living, and asked them for a loan. But each one of them closed doors on him, stating that he did not have pay stubs, his bank statements does not show the complete picture, and his tax returns are outdated. Poor Spidey. But hey, he's not the only one facing these issues. There are nearly 66 million earners that engage in independent or self-employed work in US alone. And all of them face similar issues while availing financial services. What's the solution, you may ask? We have one for you. Introducing Philo. Philo bridges the information gap between passion and gig economic platforms and the financial institutions. Now, Spidey can simply apply for a loan on his bank's app, proceed to verify his profile, and here's when Philo kicks in. Philo will link the bank to his data with his consent. He can log into one or multiple creator or gig platform accounts. Spidey sees the previously connected accounts and a list of platforms. He can search for YouTube or choose from the list. Philo then asks for Spidey's consent to share some mandatory details with the bank, which it will obtain from YouTube. But hey, why to ask for data consent in the first place? Because the data belongs to the users and they have the right to know that what data is being shared, to whom it is being shared, and for what purpose. Spidey can then check the categories and details about the data that will be shared. He can also choose the duration for which his data is shared by Philo to the bank. Once he consents to share the details, he is asked to log into his YouTube account. Philo supports login using username and password as well. But hey, most of us don't remember our credentials. Thus, Spidey can log in using his SSN. He'll receive a verification code on his registered mobile number. After logging in, Spidey is asked to share additional details with the bank so that the bank can give him a better and personalized offer. He can choose to share particular categories of additional details or opt out completely. Once this is done, Spidey's YouTube account is connected to Philo. He can now connect another account or end the process. Spidey is then taken back to the bank's app where his data is used to perform identity verification, AML checks, and bureau score retrieval. All this enriched information is then used by the bank to make a personalized loan offer. And this is how Philo helps independent and self-employed individuals avail the services they were deprived of till date. Get Philo today.